In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive not downloading files after zipping resolve zip file, not downloading GDrive. If your Google Drive gets stuck preparing a zip or the download fails right after zipping, don't worry. We'll walk through a simple sequence that usually clears the issue. We'll start in Google Chrome and work our way from quick cleanups to safe testing. First, clear Chrome's browsing data, specifically the cache and cookies. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, open settings, then go to privacy and security. Choose clear browsing data. In the basic or advanced tab, select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Pick a time range like last 7 days or all time if the problem has been persistent, then confirm to clear. This refresh removes corrupted or stale data that can break file downloads after Google Drive creates a zip. Keep in mind that clearing cookies may sign you out of websites, so be ready to sign back into Drive. After clearing, return to drive.google.com, refresh the page and try downloading the zipped files again. If it still fails, turn off your browser extensions. Some download managers, ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with Drive's zip and download process. Click the puzzle icon in the top right, then select Manage Extensions. Toggle off all extensions for now so we can test a clean browser environment. You can always re-enable them later. Go back to Google Drive, refresh the page, and attempt the download again. If the issue persists, test in incognito mode. Open a new incognito window from the three-dot menu, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N on Windows or Command+Shift+N on Mac. In incognito, extensions are disabled by default unless you explicitly allow them and you're working with a fresh temporary session. Sign into your Google account, open Google Drive and try the zip download. If it works here, that strongly suggests something in your regular session. Cache, cookies or an extension was the cause. Still no luck? Try a different browser to rule out a Chrome-specific problem. Open a modern alternative like Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Opera. Sign into Google Drive there and retry the download. This is a quick way to confirm whether the issue is tied to your original browser. Give large archives a little time to prepare, watch for any prompts to keep or allow the download, and confirm the browser isn't blocking multiple files. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to resolve most zip download issues in Google Drive.